is your Black+Decker chuck stuck open like this. I'm going to show you what to do when your Black+Decker chuck is stuck open. So first thing what you want to do here, you can see my chuck is stuck open. This flick here, this little button, you want to press it this side so it's towards you. Then you want to hold the chuck. Do want some safety gloves on, otherwise you may hurt your hand. Is grab the chuck and pump on the trigger, and hopefully that will pop the chuck open like that. If not, and it's still stuck open, get some lubricant, so like something like WD-40 for instance, spray it into the opening of the chuck. Try getting them little levers there all the way around, get the spray on them, and then leave it for like say 24 hours. Come back, do the same trick, flick it towards you, hold and pump, and hopefully that will unstick the chuck. So hopefully that helps you out what to do on your Black+Decker cordless drill when your chuck is stuck open. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.